Add salt to cabbage and be amazed at the result. Let's start this recipe by removing the center part of a cabbage. This way I'm doing it. You will be amazed at the end result. I'll add 2 tablespoons of salt to this opening we made. Then cover with a little plastic film. And take to the microwave for 15 minutes. Now in a pan we will put some olive oil. Add 500 grams of ground beef. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Miriam Savoy from New York. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'll add a chopped carrot, 1 onion, a tomato, a teaspoon of salt, and also half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm sure you've never made a recipe like this before. Next, we will add 2 chopped garlic cloves and mix it well. I'll also add 50 grams of rice. Let's cover the pan and cook for 15 minutes. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you to do so. I'm going to transfer some of the cabbage we prepared earlier into a pan. Let's put the meat mixture we prepared on top of the cabbage. This recipe has already entered my routine, for sure will go into yours because it is really very delicious after ready. I'll add another layer of cabbage, putting it over the meat. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do it so well that it gets done. I was surprised myself the first time I tried it. I'll add another layer of meat. It's a great option to share with the whole family. I'm sure everyone will love it. Finally, we'll cover everything with cabbage. This way I'm doing it. It is impossible to eat only one piece. To give a special touch, we will put a little olive oil on top and spread well. I'm gonna bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. It is much tastier than those cabbages sold in conventional restaurants. I do it myself almost every week in my house. There's no reason not to. When I do, there's never anything left. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.